Hello, today we are going to be extremely quickly taking a look at this absolutely beautiful lab instrument that is being called autotransformer, and this device allows you to convert your AC voltage from a regular wall outlet and adjust the voltage in a little bit of down and upward direction. What is critical for you to know that autotransformers by design do not provide galvanic separation, so this is not a device that you would like to be using while working with AC power systems and you would like to probe it with your oscilloscope that is ground reference, then this device is not to go. This will not provide galvanic separation. There are instruments that combine two devices at once, and you will have built-in isolation transformer plus autotransformer for regulating voltage, but they are usually twice size of that box for the same power, and this is a dead giveaway. Here we've got this absolutely beautiful voltmeter hidden behind this glass panel, and it allows us to see the output voltage as we are adjusting it. And here we've got a tiny detail. We've got a glowing indicator that is going to tell us that we've got energized circuit. Absolutely beautiful. That knob is controlling our output voltage, and here we've got off, and each click will basically switch our tap from the transformer and will produce different voltage at the output. And it is controlled by all those steps. It looks pretty modern, and that's because our enclosure is made out of plastic. But if we take a look at the back, we are going to be finding information that it was made in Deutschland Democratic Republic. So it is a vintage stuff. And here you've got all the information that you possibly could be interested in. Behind that grill you can see a beefy transformer. Here we've got a slow fuse for protecting it. And we've got our Schuko output. And our input is also done by that Schuko plug. So let's try to check it out. For our experiment, first we need something that is going to be called base point. So I will probe my AC socket, and we are going to be checking what kind of voltage we are going to be feeding into that device. And as you can see, my voltage input is 219 volts, which basically equal to 220 volt AC. And now we are going to be making changes because we are going to be probing our output just like that. And that plug go into our AC source, and we can energize our circuit. So we go into our first step, we can see our voltage here, and as you can see on the measurement, we are reading 196 volts. So actually we drop our voltage from the 219s, and now we can slowly go and change our voltage. So as you can see, we've got 200 volts, then we've got another click, we've got 210, 217, and we go so on, just like that. And you might ask yourself why this device is very critical in your electronic lab. That's because it is being commonly used for testing over voltage circuit or different AVR, automatic voltage regulator. And if your power supply, for example, have got protection, then it should be disconnected as soon as we overvoltage it. But here, as you can see, we are going more and more. And if we plug it to like a regular device, it's going to be burn with high degree of confidence. As you can see, we've got 300 volts. Of course, except of testing safety feature, this can be used for testing efficiency of different power supplies. So we are going to be setting it to exactly the design voltage, and then we are going to be measuring the efficiency, and you've got a pretty accurate measurements. So as you can see here, if we would be in the European Union, we've got a 230 volts, and this is going to be our base reference. And just in case someone near us would have like a PV inverter and it's going to be making our voltage higher, then we've got possibility to drag it down and make sure that we are in this area. And here we've got our trusted beautiful light, and we are going to be lowering our voltage and making it less bright. So let's do it right now. And as you can see, each of those steps we are slightly dimming it. And on the lowest settings, we will turn it off. So as you can see, this is absolutely beautiful device that is working great after so many years. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.